Hello everyone, this is your piece of equipment and this is just a short video to demonstrate how to operate it. Now I've made it so you could sit in a chair to operate it. So what you do is take your bottle, place it in the cup, then the gun moves into place, ready to apply glue. There's a light curtain on the machine, so anytime you block the curtain, the gun pulls clear of the area so you can easily get in and out of there without burning your hand, because that gun is, right now it's at 355 degrees. So you wait until the gun is in position and you have a bottle. Now there's an eye there, detects that there's a bottle there, so that won't extend unless there is a bottle there. There's a start push button, you push that. The bottle starts to turn, it applies hot melt. When it finishes, the gun pulls clear, and you can pull the bottle clear. Now you do have to wait for that glue to set, but that's what it looks like when it's completed.